Hello students. So basically this is the first class after the summer vacation. So in this video we will discuss about the fractions, and the main topic will be multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, so let us see how we can multiply and divide two or more fractions. So the first of all, multiply. Suppose we are going to multiply, you see, a by b and c by d. Okay, these are two fractions that we are going to multiply. So how will we do this? So the basic thing is to multiply the numerator with the numerator. Okay, that means I will show you. That means this is the numerator and this is the numerator, so these two numerators will be multiplied. So a into c, and in the denominator this is denominator and this denominator will be multiplied. So basically the answer will be a into c divided by b into d. So this is the way to do this multiplication. Okay, now we'll show you one more. Now this time we will discuss with a number. Let us say we have 5 by 6, okay, and 1 by 2, and we are going to multiply this one. So as I told you, the basic thing is to multiply the numerators. So 5 into 1, and in the denominator 6 into 2. So our answer will be what? 5 by 12. So this is our answer. So the multiplication of these two fractions give the result, or as the product we are getting 5 by 12. Similarly, suppose we have now, let's say 6 by 7, sorry, 3 by 10. Okay, I'm going to show you 3 by 10 and multiplied by 25. Now in this case we can see that this 25, okay, this 25 is a single number. Okay, it is not a fraction, but wait, we can make it a fraction. How? Just by putting a 1 as the denominator. Now we can see this 3 is your numerator, and in here this 25 is your numerator. After that, this 10 and 1 are the denominators. So since we have learned that to multiply two fraction, we will simply multiply the numerator and the numerator. That means 3 into 25, what is the product? 3 into 25, 3 multiplied by 25, you will get 75. And this 10 and 1, if you multiply, your answer will be 10. So finally we are getting this answer. But can we see that this 75 and 10 can be taken into its lowest term? Yes, of course. If we divide both of them by 5, 5 2s are and 5 15s are. So finally our answer will be 15 by 2. So this way we can do, right? On the other way, now I will show you. On the other way, we can do it in another way. That means you see, look at this, you will understand it. 3 by 10 into 25, right? And as I told you, 25 can be taken into its lowest, that means it can be converted into fraction. Now we can cancel this 10 and 25, this 10 and this 25, since this 10 is the denominator and 25 is the numerator. So numerator and denominator, if they have common factor, and we can see that 5 is the common factor here, because 5 can divide 10. Yes or no? 5 can divide 10 completely. Similarly, 5 also can divide 25 completely. So let us do that. If we divide this 10 by 5, we will have 2, and if we divide this 25 with 5, we will have 5. Now you tell me, in the numerator what is remained? 3 and 5. So 3 5 times is 15, and in the denominator 2 and 1, that is 2 1s are 2. So finally our answer is 15 by 2. And in previous way, that means in the way that we discussed in our previous slide, here also we are getting 15 by 2, and here also we are getting 15 by 2. So this method is the more preferable. That means it is preferably good, okay, better way to do this. Okay, now let's see another type of question. Suppose we have 5 by 12 into 9 by 10. Okay, now we can divide. Okay, but you can see here we can divide this 5 and divide this 10 by 5. That means they are having 5 as a common factor. Okay, we can divide them. Let's do this. If we divide this 5 by 5, 1 will be your answer. If we divide this 10 by 5, 2 will be your answer. And similarly, this 12 and this 9 can be cancelled just by dividing them. Their common factor 3. So if we divide this 12 by 3, 3 4 times is 12, and 3 3 times is 9. So what is remained here? 1 3 times is 3, and 4 2 times is 8. So our answer is this one, 3 by 8. Just by multiplying these two factors, 5 by 12 and 9 by 10, we are getting 3 by 8. So in here we did not multiply the normally the numerator and denominator, we did not multiply. After the cancelling, that means after the cancellation, okay, we cancelled this 5 and 10, okay, and we cancel this 9 and 12. How we cancel this 9 and 12? You can see here both 9 and 12 can be divided by 3, yes or no? So by 3 we cancel them. 3 4 times is 12, and 3 3 times is 9. Okay, so this way we are getting 2, okay, and 3. So 3 1s is 3, and 4 2s are 8. Okay, now I think this thing is clear. Now operating off. So what is off? Off is simply it means multiplication. Okay, off means multiplication only. Let's say we have 1 by 9 of 36. So in this case we can write this 1 by 9 into 36, and as I told you 36 by 1. Okay, so 9 1 times is 9, and 9 4s is 36. So what is remain? In the numerator we have 4, and in the denominator we have 1, but the denominator 1 is meaningless, so you can write it 4. So 1 by 9 of 36 is 4. Okay, the final answer is 1 by 9 of 36 is 4. Let us say one more question. Suppose what is let's say 5 by 8 from the exercise 26, from the exercise 20, not 26, 2b, sorry. Exercise 2b. Okay, and here we are taking the question number 3 2. So 2 by 7 of 1 week. Okay, you can open your book and find the exercise 2b, and you see the question 3 2. Now 2 by 7 of 1 week. So can we say that of means multiplication, right? In 1 week, okay, this 1 week means what? 7 days, yes or no? Now we can cancel this 7 and 7. So what remains? Only 2 days remains. So our answer is 2 days, right? In the same way we can do this number 4, 3 4, question number 3 4 of the same exercise. Here 7 by 8, what is happening? 7 by 8 of 1 day. So 7 by 8 of 1 day means what? 7 by 8 of means multiplication, and 1 day means 24 hours. Can we write that? So 8 3 times is 24. So 7, what is remained here? You see, 7 into 3, 7 3 is 21. So 21 hours is our answer. Okay, right? Okay, so in this way you try the questions from exercise 2b 1 2 3. You can do the question number 1, the question number 2, question number 3, you can do. Okay, wait, many of you might be thinking how to do this type of product. That means the question number 2 3, you see, 2 3 from the same exercise 2 3. Okay, the 2 3 can be done very simple, in the simple way. So what is here? 9 whole 2 by 3 into 1 whole 1 by 29 first you will convert them into improper fraction. Okay, first you convert them into improper fraction. If you do so, then you will get 3 9s are 27. You see, 3 9s are 27 plus 2. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 is what? 29, right? Into in here 29 ones are 29, 29 plus 1 30. In here 6 by 15. In here 5, and you can see 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1 36. Okay, now what will do? 15 2 times is 30. 29 get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. So what is left? Yeah, here it is left 5, and in here 36, 2 and 2. So 2 into 2 into 36, remember this one, 2 into 2 into 36. Okay, 2 into 2 into 36, and in the denominator we have 5, right? So 2 to the 4, 436 is 144 and 5. So this will be your answer. Okay, you can convert them into mixed fraction also. Okay, but if you keep it in this way, it is correct. Now let us see the reciprocal. What is reciprocal? The reciprocal is what? If I write let us say 5 by 2. Okay, now you tell me, with this 5 by 2 what can I multiply so that the answer becomes 1? Okay, come on, think of it. Okay, let us see this one. Somehow if we cancel this 2, which 2? This time, and cancel this 5, then we will get this one. So to cancel this 5, we must keep a 5 here, so that this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, only 1 will left, right? Similarly this 2, then if we put another 2 here, then okay, this 2 and 2 will also be cancelled, 5 and 5 will also be cancelled. So what? Only 1 will remain, right? So now we can say that the reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Similarly, the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Meaning to say, the reciprocal means what? If we multiply any two number, okay, so let's say a into b, and if we are getting 1, then a is known as the reciprocal of b, and b is known as the reciprocal of a. Okay, so this is the main thing. Now we can understand it very easily simply by reversing, that means changing the numerator and denominator. You will get a reciprocal of any number. Let's say, what is the reciprocal of 7 by 2? What is the reciprocal of 7 by 2? Then your answer will be what? Simply the reciprocal of, I'm writing here, the reciprocal of 7 by 2 is, simply you interchange the numerator denominator. That means the 7 is the numerator here, change it to denominator, and 2 is the denominator here, change it to numerator. So 2 by 7, 7 by 2 will change to 2 by 7. So this will be the answer. Are you understanding? So if you are getting any number, what is the reciprocal of, let's say, a by b? What is the reciprocal of a by b? Your answer will be b by a. Remember, don't put an equal sign here. They are not equal. So to express that the reciprocal of ab is b by a, I am using an arrow mark only. We are not using the equal sign. Don't use the equal sign. Okay, the answer should be written in the same way that I have written. Okay, this way. The reciprocal of 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. Now division. Okay, let us see this division. Now here I already have written two numbers, a by b divided by c by d. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay, opposite of multiplication. So what we will do, if we know the multiplication, then we can do this division also. Now see, a by b, this a by b is written as a by b. This division sign will change to multiplication sign. Okay, and also this c by d will change to its reciprocal. So what will be its reciprocal? As I told you, the reciprocal will be the changing of numerator and denominator, changing of numerator and denominator. So simply d will be here, then it means d by c, right? So you can do this multiplication, a into d by b into c. So this way we can divide any two fractions. Let us see with an example. Let us divide 2 whole 3 by 5 by 3 whole 1 by 2. First of all, change them into improper fraction. 5, okay, 5, this 5, right, this 5, and 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13. Similar way, in the same way, can you do this the next one? If you do this, 2 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, right? Now change this. Okay, you see, many students do the mistakes here. They change this 13 by 5 also. No, you cannot change them. 13 by 5 will remain same, 13 by 5. You have to change this division sign as well as this number. So 13 by 5 into 2 by 7. So your answer will be 13 into 2, right? In the numerator, 13 into 2. 13 into 2 is what? 26. And in the denominator, you have 5 into 7, that is 5 7 is 35. So it will be your answer. Very simple it is, right? So I'm not going to show you many type of question, same type of question. I will not going to describe each and every question. Let us learn. Okay, now simplify. This simplify has already been written so that the time will not be wasted. Now this example, it is taken from the example 11. Okay, example 11, right? In my book the page number is 29, but I don't know it is same in your book also. If it is so, then it is very good, fine. Now 3 by 19 of 7 by 9 plus 3 by 4 divided 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. But remember this one, this sign is there. Okay, this is known as vinculum or bar simply. Okay, and this bracket, this moon-like bracket is known as parenthesis, and this is curly bracket, right? Okay, so the order of the bracket is what? First you change do the function of which is under this bar. Okay, so we are keeping all the same, but we are doing this calculation. The half minus 1 by 3, 2 and 3, what is the LCM? 6. Okay, and 2 3s is 6, so 1 3s is 3, and 3 2s is 6, so 1 2s is 2, so 3 minus 2 1 by 6. Now here everything has been done. Okay, now we will remove this bracket, that means this parenthesis. Okay, here you can see this division. We have changed this into multiplication, and this 1 by 6 has been changed to 6 by 1. You can see, and the 3 by 4 is remaining same. Now if we do this calculation, okay, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 3 3s is 9, and 2 1 is 2. The rest remains same, 7 by 9 plus this one. Now 9 and 2, what is the LCM of 9 and 2 is 18. 9 2 times is 18, so 7 2 times is 14. 2 9 times is 18, so 9 9 times is 81. Now 14 plus 81 is 95 by 18, and off will change to multiplication. And now after doing this calculation, you are getting 5 by 6. So this is the end of this lesson today. Okay, if you are not understanding anything, you ask me, okay, in any way. So I hope you have understood everything. try to finish this exercise 2D on our own. Thank you very much.